Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial. My name is Samantha. I am a affiliate vocational training student in business administration, and today in this video we are going to exercise number 5 of the 2022 exam. Let's do it. What we are going to do is going to be a point A, okay? In this case, busca todos los ficheros PDF, okay, del año, okay, de this aim, okay, and in the folder, the map network, okay. Let's look for the PDF of the year 2016. Okay, and in the bar right point PDF. Okay, in this case the second step, okay, in this case date modify, okay, and the aim is this, okay, 2016. Perfect. Is this a PDF of the year 2016? Okay. That's it, okay, letter A, and the next step is Cópialos a la ruta PDF. Okay. Okay, copy the PDFs. Control V. Okay, the next step is letter B, busca todos los ficheros, okay, de Excel y Word. Perfect. Go to the map network, okay, in this case Word. Okay, one moment. The next step is the documents of the okay, in this case Word, okay, Word. Select the files, okay, and copy in the folder files, okay. Perfect. The next step is the of Excel, okay. Share the documents of Excel. Come the folder principal, and in this case Excel is this. Control C and Control V. 6 items, in PDF 5 items, and Word 24 items. Okay, this complete, okay, this, okay, and this. Perfect. And that's it for exercise. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you had enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye bye.